Here is how you can delete photos quickly on the iPad. Let me talk about it and explain it. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So if we open up the Photos app, you can naturally open up a picture in the full screen and click the trash can and tap on delete, and the photo is going to be gone. However, if we want to be much quicker than this, we can utilize the select feature. So you can see in at the top right, we have the select button. And then now we can essentially select multiple photos at once, right? Like this. And then now I can see 5 photos are selected, and now I can click the trash and delete 5 photos at the time. So this saves us quite a lot of time. So that's fine, but it still takes a while to select all of the photos manually. So what you can do instead, and in this case, is essentially just select them by using the swipe gesture, right? So as you can see, instead of tapping them one by one, you can just use your finger to select them like this, right? So you can keep on selecting very quickly. Or you can literally just grab it like this, put your finger at the top, and it's going to go through all of your images like so, and it will basically just select all of the pictures, right? So you have to decide when you stop and everything, right? But as you can see, in a matter of seconds, I selected 251 photos, and I can just click on the trash can and delete it with the simple tap. So that's how you can do it very quickly. Just make sure to also go to the recently deleted folder, because this place is also very important for it, because there is obviously, you know, the photos which you delete are still technically there until you remove them from this folder. But that's it, and let me know what you think below. Subscribe and I'll see you later.